Let's mix red and yellow clay together. They blend to make vibrant orange. In Bangla, orange means komola.
Komola.
Let's mix red and blue clay together. Now we get a beautiful purple color. In Bangla, purple means beguni. Let's mix blue and yellow super clay together. Look, it turns into a vibrant green. Green, Bangla meaning shobuj. Today we mix black and white clay. This creates a perfect gray. In Bangla, we call gray dhushor. Red and white makes pink. In Bangla, pink is golapi. Mix blue and white clay, and you get beautiful sky blue. In Bangla, we call this akashi. Let's mix green and yellow clay together. This creates a vibrant lime green color. Now let's learn its meaning in Bangla. Lime green Bangla meaning is lebu shobuj. Let's mix orange and yellow clay. This creates a perfect amber color. In Bangla, amber means ombol or pingol. Mixing purple and white clay gives us lavender. Lavender Bangla ortho fike beguni rong. Mixing brown and white clay gives us beige. So what does beige mean in Bangla? It means halka badami rong. Let's mix red and brown clay together. This creates a beautiful maroon color. Maroon Bangla meaning is khairi. So maroon means khairi in Bangla. Blue and green mix to create teal. In Bangla, we call this nilabha sabuja. Let's mix green and blue clay. This creates turquoise. In Bangla, we call it firoza. Let's mix red and purple clay today. Watch how these two colors blend together, and we get a beautiful magenta color. In Bangla, magenta means ujjol lalche beguni. Let's mix green and black clay. This creates a rich, dark green mix. Now let's learn its Bangla meaning. Dark green in Bangla is gabertor shobuj. Mixing blue and black creates navy blue. In Bangla, navy blue means gabert nil. Mix yellow and white to get cream. Look at this smooth cream color. In Bangla, cream means makhon. Cream. Bangla meaning noni. It can also mean sor or makhon. Mixing orange and white clay. This gives us a beautiful peach color. In Bangla, peach means pipech fol. Let's mix red and orange clay today. Watch how they blend together, and we get this beautiful coral color. Coral Bangla meaning is probal. Let's mix brown and yellow clay together, and we get this beautiful golden brown. In Bangla, this means shonali badami. Let's mix green and brown clay today. Mixing them gives us olive green. Olive green Bangla meaning is jolpai rong. Mixing purple and blue creates indigo. In Bangla, indigo means neel. Neel. Let's mix yellow and green clay together. Watch the color change. It makes yellow-green. In Bangla, it means holde shobuj. Let's mix two identical green clays to create a beautiful dark green. In Bangla, we call this gaberto shobuj. Garo shobuj means dark green. Mixing orange and brown gives us rust. So what is the meaning of rust? In Bangla, rust means moricha. Rust Bangla meaning is moricha. Today we mix purple and pink. Watch how the colors blend together. We get a beautiful light purple. In Bangla, we say halka beguni. Mix brown and black clay to get dark brown. Dark brown Bangla meaning is gabert badami. Let's mix yellow and orange clay. In Bangla, we call this shonali holud. It is a very bright and beautiful color. Let's mix yellow and orange clay. In Bangla, we call this shonali holud. It is a very bright and beautiful color. Let's mix green and white clay. Mixing white and green creates mint green. In Bangla, mint green means pudina shobuj. Let's mix blue and pink clay together. Look, it turns into a beautiful violet. Violet meaning in Bangla is beguni. Mixing red, yellow and white clay gives us a beautiful light orange. In Bangla, light orange means halka komola. Let's mix blue, green and white clay today. This creates a beautiful aqua color. Do you know what aqua means in Bangla? It simply means jol or pani. Let's make some beautiful orchid clay art today. Mix purple, red and white to get this shade. Now carefully shape each of the petals. In Bangla, orchid simply means orchid. Let's mix green, yellow and white clay. This creates a beautiful light green color. Light green Bangla meaning is halka shobuj. Blue, purple and white make periwinkle clay. Watch the colors blend together. Periwinkle Bangla meaning is oporajita. Mixing red, blue and yellow clay gives us brown. Browner Bangla ortho holo badami. Let's mix orange, yellow and white clay. This creates a beautiful light gold color. In Bangla, light gold means halka shonali. Let's mix purple, blue and black clay. This combination creates a rich, deep violet color. Deep violet, er Bangla ortho garho beguni. Let's mix blue, green and yellow clay. This creates a beautiful sea green color. In Bangla, sea green means shagor shobuj.
Let's mix red, brown and black clay. This blend creates a beautiful burgundy color. And here is our final result. In Bangla, burgundy means gard lal rang.
Mixing purple and brown clay gives us a rich plum color. In Bangla, we call this fruit kul, which is written as ko, hukar, lo. Let's mix green, blue and black clay. Blend them together thoroughly. It creates a beautiful forest green. Look at this rich, deep shade. In Bangla, it means bon shobuj. Let's mix blue, white and black clay together. This creates a beautiful slate blue color. Now, what is its Bangla meaning? In Bangla, we say nilav dhushor rong. Let's mix red, orange and yellow clay. This makes warm orange. In Bangla, this is ushno komla. Mustard, mustard, shorisha. Mixing orange and red clay creates a vibrant red-orange color. In Bangla, this means roktim komla.